Rules of differentiation for a function of one variable. Constant function rule. The derivative of a constant function y is equal to k or fx is equal to k is identically 0, that is 0 for all values of x. Symbolically, given y is equal to fx 1k, the derivative is dy by dx is equal to dk by dx is equal to 0, or f dot x is equal to 0. Or alternatively, given y is equal to fx is equal to k, the derivative is d by dx y is equal to d by dx dfx is equal to d by dx k is equal to 0. Example, the graph of a constant function, say a fixed cost function cf is equal to fq is equal to $1,200, is a horizontal straight line with zero slope throughout, that is d by dq cf is equal to d by dq 1200 is equal to 0. Now next page. Power function rule. The derivative of a power function y is equal to fx is equal to x to the power n is nx to the power n minus 1. Symbolically, this is expressed as d by dx x to the power n is equal to nx to the power n minus 1, or f dot x is equal to nx to the power n minus 1. Example, the derivative of y is equal to x3 is dy by dx is equal to d by dx x3 is equal to 3x square. Example 2, the derivative of y is equal to x to the power 9 is d by dx x to the power 9 is equal to 9x to the power 8. Now, example 3, the find the derivative of y is equal to x to the power 0, d by dx x to the power 0 is equal to 0 into x to the power minus 1 is equal to 0. Example 4, find the derivative of y is equal to 1 by x cube, or y is equal to x minus 3 x to the power minus 3, or therefore d by dx x to the power minus 3 is equal to minus 3x minus 3 minus 1 is equal to minus 3 x to the power minus 4 is equal to minus 3 divided by x to the power 4. Find the derivative of y is equal to root over x is equal to x by x to the power half, d by dx x to the power half is equal to half x to the power half minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2 x to the power minus half is equal to 1 by 2 root over x. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.